Hello, this is a quick video showing some possibilities for using Google Docs to do collaboration type projects. This is a project I did a while back where I wanted students to investigate forces. What I wanted them to do is I wanted them, each group, to investigate a particular force and to compile some resources that helped explain their force. So for example, they might want to find a video or a tutorial or a website explaining the force, something like that. So, what I had them do is first they had to figure out what force they were going to be studying. They did that in their groups. But then for step two, they had to create a shared Google document. So, to create a document, you simply go to your documents list and you hit the big create button, and there's actually a video in the technology section of the high school webpage that explains how to create a document. Then you go up to here to share. You can share in two ways. You can either share with anyone who has the link. And so what that does is that allows anybody that I email, and I'll show you the link, anybody that I email this link to will be able to get on here and edit it. The other really good way is if we know that we're going to have a couple of students, 3 or 4 students, whoever, you can add them specifically. And so the nice thing is if I start typing in a name, it'll automatically pop up with a person who I'm possibly sharing with if I have these people in my Google list already, or in my Gmail. So they would have to be uploaded as contacts in my Gmail already. But if that, otherwise you can, if you just happen to know that I want to share with 1, 3, 4, 5, maybe that's my student at shaktischools.org, you'd have to talk to each group member and get them to each list out what their email is. So you'd share and save. I'm going to cancel right now. And then what should happen is that all these different people should be able to access this. I should note one thing about that. Make sure that it says can edit for those people. So whenever you add somebody, it should say can edit. Otherwise, if you have it set on can view, all they can do is look at it. They can't actually change it. And so then from there, everybody should be able to go on here and edit the document. So like I said, I had this in particular, I had an example down here, I think. So I had them compiling information. So this is a really good way to compile information from different people. And that way you get a number of different perspectives, different ideas. A couple of suggestions. Have students color code their writing so that, like, if I'm writing in green, and so what you do is go up here and change the text color. And either that or you would have them color code. So that's one thing, sorry, have them color code that. Another thing is this. Conversations get confusing, and so try to have them just be clear. Then I would try to set in at the beginning a particular format. And so I think I have that down. Yes, so each source should have the following information. And that way, if you have this particular format, then things stay consistent. Otherwise, things tend to get kind of messy sometimes. But so you'll just have to play around with it, try it in your classes, and hopefully this is something that would work for you.